guys? Happy Sunday fun day. Go Packers. Hope they beat the 49ers today. But let's kick into it here for Thanksgiving week here. Happy early Thanksgiving to each and every one of you guys. Go spend time with your loved ones, family, and friends. Okay? And don't ever be afraid to reach out if you don't have anyone to spend time with. All right, so let's get into here for Forex analysis here for the week here. So we're going to be selling the US dollar index, looking for the US dollar index to actually make a retracement back down for this week. Uh, we'll see how much the US dollar is going to drop. Like I said, the two best days for trading, I'm going to repeat this, Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday morning, I'm going to be taking off to go visit family. Family's going to be in town for this weekend, so not a whole lot for going on for Thanksgiving week. Like I said, the two best days is Monday and Tuesday, and then finishing off Wednesday morning. And then if you guys still need me for anything, like I said, just let me know in the chat group. All right. So we're gonna be selling the US dollar index for the retracement, looking for it to come back down to 107.0, right around here. And then we'll see what's gonna happen, maybe either tonight or tomorrow morning on how much there is volume and liquidity, for the market and the trading conditions, right before Thanksgiving. All right, so indices. We are buying indices, all of them. So looking for US 30 to make one more move up before the holidays kick in for Thanksgiving. Looking for US 30 to come back to see if it would break 44,500, and then we'll see how much more they're gonna drive Wall Street up, and then we'll see how it goes from there. S&P 500, look for S&P to hit 6,000 again, and then we'll see if it creates a lot of resistance at 6,000, and then probably end up, might end up just sitting up here for a little bit. And then for Nasdaq, looking for Nasdaq to regain back to the previous high of 21,296, pretty much 21,300. So we'll see how Nasdaq plays its role here. Nasdaq is the weakest index out of all the other three. All the other two, S&P and Wall Street. So Wall Street has a big percentage gain, 1.03 percentage gain for the week here. So let's come down to gold. We're buying gold. Gold is a safe haven. So gold and silver. Buying both of these precious metals, and what's going on with, missile strikes, with the Middle East, also with Russia and Ukraine. Biden is still in control, so we could also expect another key component in that market to play out on the fundamental side and to hitting the technical analysis side. And so we're looking for gold to come back to break 2,800. That's what I'll be looking at. That's the big move here, 2,800 for this week here. Now, I would highly recommend scalping for the next remaining weeks here. And like I said, we're coming to the last week of November, and then we're going to be transitioning over to the month of December, next week, because December 1st is on a Sunday. So silver, buying silver, looking for silver to come back to 31.60, and then we'll see if it breaks back up to 32. So we're buying silver as well. We're going to be selling UCAD. We're going to be selling all the USD pairs, looking for UCAD to come back to break down to 139, and then the following move from there would be come down to 138. And then for UJ, looking for UJ to come down. Doji weekly candle here closing out. It's like a spinning top candle based on the Candlestick Bible. Looking for UJ to come back down to 154.0 and then 153. And then the final move would be to break 152. Now, this pair might end up consolidating. So not a whole lot has been going on with this pair for the past couple weeks. It's been going up and down. It's been sitting at this price range for a bit, right at the 154 mark. So it's like I said, scalping this pair would be more effective than holding a weekly swing. Don't get me wrong, I'm sending out weekly swings every Sunday for you guys. So it is always do your due diligence on what what you want to swing on and what you're going to scalp on. But I highly recommend scalping, okay? And I'll update you guys as much as I can, starting tonight and all the way till the end of Tuesday night, especially when I'm scalping. All right, U-Swiss. Looking for U-Swiss to make a retracement back down, back to 89, and then we'll see where it's gonna go from there. So overall, it is still bullish, but I'm looking for that pair to come down along with the US dollar index. All right, so don't mind the sirens here. All right, don't mind the sirens here. Okay, so buying euro for the retracement came all the way down to 103. Looking for it to come back to 105 and then might end up just staying around at the 105 price. So I'm not expecting too much of a big retracement here for euro. So 105 is probably the highest I'm going to go. And then buying euro British pound. The highest price I'm going to go is the 83,716 right here at the wick of this weekly candle that closed out here. And this is the range that I'm looking at between 82,651 and 83,785. So we're buying it. Be very careful where this pair is going to go. It might end up just being a choppy pair for this week. I highly recommend just scalping this pair along with the pound here. Looking for the pound to make a retracement back up to 126. And then we'll see how much more it's gonna go back up from there. 126 is the highest price I'm gonna go for. So let's come into Australia and New Zealand. So looking to buy the Australian dollar, looking for it to come back to 65, and then the next move would be to break the wick here at 65.4. Okay. The top price of 65,448 right here, where it actually got pinned back down on Friday. And that's as high as I'm going to go. And then buying New Zealand for a retracement to go back up to 59. And then I'm just going to leave it right around there. Like I said, be mindful of these two currencies. Like I said, I highly recommend just scalping for this week, starting tonight and all the way to Wednesday morning. Let's see what else is going on for the economic calendar. I don't expect too much on the economic calendar, to be honest, guys. So Tuesday is a big day here. Australia's CPI. Then New Zealand's got their rate statement. They're cutting 50 basis points, so that's going to be good news, a good trading news impact for Tuesday night here on Tokyo sessions. And then Wednesday we have the GDP unemployment claims and the core PC price index for the United States. And we also have FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Wow, really? On Wednesday? Well, I probably won't be, I'm going to be out of town. So I'll still send out the impact news on this. But like I said, I don't expect too much because around this time, the markets are going to end up closing down, shutting down early for Thanksgiving. So I'll still send it out. I don't plan on trading it, but I'll send it out for you guys to see if you guys want to get in on it. FOMC minutes is also a big part of trading the high impact red news folder. And then, like I said, Thursday's Thanksgiving. Friday, I'm not touching anything on Friday. I'm gonna come back on Sunday, on December 1st. So Tuesday is the big day, along following with Wednesday on FOMC minutes. Like I said, Wednesday morning, I'm going to be gone. I just want to remind you guys, anything, like I said, if you guys have any questions or concerns, regards to trading for this week, I highly recommend just taking it easy and don't get too caught up on trying to make a lot of money for this week. So other than that, I will see you guys in the Telegram chat group. This video will be on YouTube for those of you that are not part of the chat group. And let me know in the comments. Like I said, you can Telegram me at CooleyFX. And then that's all I have for you guys for Forex analysis for this week. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. And like I said, spend time with your loved ones, family, friends, anyone. All right? Peace out, guys. God bless you guys. Yeah, let's get into it. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency here. I already switched out. We're going to be selling cryptocurrency. I'm going to highlight some key points here. Now, be mindful. The only two good days of trading is going to be tomorrow and Tuesday. Uh, I'm going to be taking off on Wednesday to go visit the family. The family's going to be in town. It's going to be a busy weekend for me. So I probably won't update as much starting Wednesday until Sunday. So from Wednesday the 26th, I think, oh, 27th, all the way till the December 1st. We recap back on Sunday analysis again. So gonna be a busy week. Let's say I hope you guys are gonna hope each and every one of you guys have a great early Thanksgiving week, and hope that you guys have a good time to enjoy with your friends and families and your loved ones. All right. So like I said, recapping here again. Monday and Tuesday are probably going to be the best days for trading before the market starts to close on Wednesday, a little bit before lunchtime, Wednesday at noon. So that's when most of the stock markets end up closing. I don't know. Uh, I believe the currency market is probably going to close a little bit afterwards, but Wall Street and all them are going to close early. So don't get too caught up on what I should trade this week, or if I should really go dive in and make a lot of money this week. This is not the week to really make a lot of money. Like I said, get focused on tonight, Monday, and then see what you can do on Tuesday. Wednesday morning, we'll see how it all plays out. And after that Wednesday morning, I'm done. So, selling cryptocurrency, looking for Bitcoin come back down to 96,000, and then we'll see if it breaks back down to 95,000 from there. Every single cryptocurrency is going down, mostly in the red here. So I'm gonna highlight here in my watch list. You can see the percentage change here, all red here, and then there's some that's still in the green here, I believe. Look, go back, come on. Uh, Zcash and Tezos, but those are smaller coins, so not get too much. Selling Ethereum, looking for Ethereum to come back down to break 3,200, and then the next move would be 3,100. Litecoin has already did a major drop back down. It's under 95. I mean, it's at 92 right now. Looking for a drop back to 90, and then the next move would come back down to 85. Shiba dropping back down again. Looking for Shiba to come back down to the 22, the 23 mark, and then the 22 mark here on the support price. So we'll see how that all plays out. It's sitting at the 0.2462 price. Looking for 0.23 and 0.22. And then Dogecoin coming back down under 45 cents here. It's sitting at 40 cents. And then looking for it to break the 40 cents back to 35 cents. Ripple going back down even hard now. So looking for Ripple to come back down to $1.30, and then the next move will be $1.20. And then Neo coming down, it shot all the way up to what did it shoot all the way up to? $16 in value. So looking for a move back down to $13 in value, and then we'll see where it's gonna range from there. Dash coming back down, Dash shot all the way up to 37, I think. 36, oh, 36.60. Okay. And then we're looking for this to break down on probably half this candle here at 30, 32 even. And then the next move will be to break 31. Solana is coming back down here, looking for Solana to make it move back down to 240. And then we'll see if it's going to try and hold its weight at 240. There's a daily support here at the 235. So we'll see where it's going to range for the rest of the week here once we come into Thanksgiving. The big downfall on Zcash. So Zcash inverted hammer pin candle here on the candlestick. 57.55. It dropped all the way down to 49.26. This is crazy. Look, we're gonna sell this back down to 45, and then we'll see if it targets down to 44 by the end of the week here. Like I said, markets could probably gonna end up being really choppy for Thanksgiving. So, okay, so selling Tezos. Tezos shot all the way up to $1.60. Well, yeah, $1.62. That's crazy. And then all the way down to $1.26 now. The next move would be $1.25 and then 120, and then we'll see if it comes down all the way down back to $1 value here. So that's all I got for you guys. We're selling cryptocurrency. Unless something major happens before Thanksgiving, which I don't foresee. Everybody's trying to shift gears and selling so they have money for the holidays. And also for December of trading, it is going to be really slow and choppy and very tight, narrow price ranges. So I'm going to remind you guys every single week in December not to get too crazy on trading until we come into January of 2025 for tax season. Tax season is going to be a really high volume, high liquidity, high market trading conditions here. All right, any questions for the cryptocurrency signals or the analysis? Let me know. All right, happy Thanksgiving to you all. All right, peace out.